Hi everyone! In today's easy tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn image from Midjourney into a vector artwork. Welcome to the channel. Let's dive into it. So let's start with creating our initial image. To do that, I'm going to write down /imagine command. And let's start with our composition, which is going to be portrait. And let's add some adjectives here. And let's write down our object and let's stylize this. So I'm going to run this prompt on Midjourney version 4 because sometimes Midjourney version 5 gives you results that are broken and grotesque. So let's run this prompt on version 4. So I'm not going to add any suffix. I just hit enter to generate our image. And here's our cats. First one looks nice, so I'm just upscale the first image by clicking U1. Here's our upscaled image, so let's click on this thumbnail and click on open in browser, and let's copy this link and go back to Discord and type down /imagine, and let's paste our link into here. And then I'm going to write down vector arts with multiple vivid colors and shapes. So let's run this prompt on Midjourney version 4. Due to the reason that I tell you before, you can test the version 5, but in mashups like this, Midjourney version 4 works better for now. So let's hit enter to create our vector art. And here's our vector arts. The second one looks very cute. So that's basically how to turn image from Midjourney into a vector artwork. If you found this video helpful, tap the like and subscribe buttons to help others to find this video as well. Thank you for watching.